You think you're doing the right thing for your car, but what if those tips you heard from your uncle, your neighbor, or even the internet are completely wrong? From changing your oil too often to warming up your engine in the morning, these common car myths could be silently ruining your vehicle and burning your hard-earned money. In today's video, we're busting 12 popular car myths that could cost you thousands if you keep believing them. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down car care in a way that actually makes sense. If you're a driver, a DIYer, or someone who just wants their car to last longer without draining the bank, this video is for you. Let's clear the confusion and expose some of the worst car advice still floating around today. Here are 12 car myths that need to die before your car does. Let's jump into the countdown. Number 12. You need to warm up your engine before driving. This used to be true for cars built in the 1980s or earlier, but modern engines are designed to be driven almost immediately. Idling for 5 to 10 minutes just wastes fuel, pollutes the air, and causes unnecessary engine wear. The best way to warm up your engine? Drive gently for the first few minutes. Number 11. Premium fuel is always better. Unless your owner's manual specifically recommends or requires premium gas, you're just throwing away money. Most cars run perfectly fine and efficiently on regular unleaded fuel. Using premium when it's not needed won't give you more power, better mileage, or a longer engine life. So, unless it says premium required, skip the upgrade and keep your cash. Number 10. You should change your oil every 3,000 miles. This is one of the most outdated myths still going strong. With modern synthetic oils and advanced engines, most vehicles can go 7,500 to 10,000 miles between oil changes. Always check your owner's manual, not a sticker from a quick lube shop. Overchanging oil doesn't help your car, it just hurts your wallet. Number 9. Washing your car too often damages the paint. Actually, the opposite is true. Regular washing protects your paint from harmful contaminants like bird droppings, tree sap, road salt, and pollution. What really damages paint is leaving that stuff sitting for too long. As long as you're using the right tools, a soft sponge, proper soap, and microfiber towels, washing your car frequently is one of the best things you can do for its appearance and resale value. Number 8. You must get service at the dealership to keep your warranty. Many people still believe that getting your car serviced outside the dealership voids your warranty. That's false. By law, under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, you can go to any certified mechanic as long as proper parts and procedures are followed. So feel free to use your trusted local shop and save some money. Just keep the receipts and records. Number 7. Bigger tires give you better performance. Bigger tires might look cool, but unless they're properly matched to your car's specs, they can ruin your fuel economy, mess with your speedometer, and even damage your suspension. Performance is more about tire quality and type, not just size. Stick to your vehicle's recommended dimensions unless you know exactly what you're doing. Number 6. Topping off the gas tank. After the pump clicks is fine. It's not. When the fuel nozzle clicks off, that means your tank is full. Continuing to pump more gas can actually flood your charcoal canister, a critical part of your vehicle's emission system. That repair isn't cheap. So next time, stop at the click. Number 5. A clean engine runs better. This one's more about appearance than performance. While a clean engine bay might look great, scrubbing it with water, harsh chemicals, or pressure washers can damage sensitive electrical components. Unless you're detailing for a car show, there's no real need to clean your engine regularly. If you do clean it, use the right tools and cover up anything sensitive. Number 4. You should inflate tires to the number on the sidewall. That number on the sidewall is the maximum pressure, not the recommended pressure. For the correct tire pressure, check the sticker on your driver's side door or the owner's manual. Driving with overinflated or underinflated tires can lead to poor handling, uneven wear, and even blowouts. So always go by the car manufacturer's specs, not what's printed on the tire. Number 3. More expensive oil means better performance. Just like with fuel, more expensive doesn't always mean better. You need the right type and grade of oil for your specific engine. Using a premium synthetic when your car only needs conventional won't make it run better and might just be a waste. Stick to what's recommended in your manual. Your car doesn't care about brand names. It cares about compatibility. Number 2. Turning off the AC saves fuel. This one's tricky. It's true that the AC system draws power from your engine, which can slightly reduce fuel efficiency. But driving with the windows down, especially at highway speeds, increases drag and can offset any savings. So the fuel difference is minimal. Comfort usually wins here. Use the AC when you need it. Just don't overdo it if you're low on gas. Number 1. Check engine light means immediate disaster. The dreaded check engine light turns on and panic sets in. But it doesn't always mean a major problem. In fact, it could be something minor like a loose gas cap or a faulty oxygen sensor. That said, never ignore it. Use a diagnostic scanner or visit a shop to check the code and deal with it before it becomes a bigger issue. Waiting too long could turn a $50 fix into a $500 repair. Car myths are everywhere, and they spread fast. But just because something sounds logical doesn't mean it's true. Believing the wrong advice can wear out your car faster, cost you more money, and even put your safety at risk. So stick to facts, trust your owner's manual, and keep learning. That's how you get the most out of your car and your wallet. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips and myth-busting videos. And in the comments, let me know which myth surprised you the most, or which one you believed until now. Thanks for watching, and drive smart.